something to where you're not ready to do. A little more pitch, okay, on the back side. And you gotta imagine this vertical is going this way. So usually that back one is going to step. Use this hand to pull that through. So I like how you're getting the whole blade in there. Feel free to leave that guide comb hanging out just on the head so you can see, where you're at. Yeah. Always need something. So as you're doing it, you can kind of roll into his third back, but you have to push down on the top. If you think it's too far, he's going to try to get up, but keep your feet up under that shoulder. Yeah. So what I would do now is make my path coming down this way, okay? When you get down here, see he's already trying to go and put his weight, okay? Just be ready for him to kick. Feet down, butt up. There you go. There you go. That's pretty. He doesn't have much on the end of his leg, so you don't have to see that part. There you go. That whole blade in there and try to follow the cervical. There you go, stop short. So you're getting down to where his tail will be. So you want to stop here and then right out the top of his tail. Yeah. Yeah, if you want to. You know how to do that? Grab it in. Yeah, I was grabbing part of this leg, just roll over gently. We're going to kind of pivot towards shorter, so you're going to have to move a little bit. Oh yeah, I don't know if he told you this yet, but while you're shearing sheep, if you have laying down on the ground, if those back feet touch a wall or anything that they press against, they will freak out and start kicking and trying to press against. Here, let me put it this way. There you go. Now he's kind of leaning uphill. He won't be as inclined to try to get up on you. Yeah, he's holding up that way. So what he was saying is that if at any point your feet can touch something, and then his feet, he's going to try to get up. That's the whole point of putting your foot up under his shoulder. It keeps their feet up in the air, so he feels like he has no traction. At any rate, you got it. There you go. So I'll start up here again. Let me pass down in the gear. Don't hit it quickly, okay? Put the free hand over it if you need to. And uncross your hand. And this one down here if you need to hold something. Yep, there you go. Slide it in. Don't worry about the belly as much. Try to get these bars down here. Try to clear them out to the spine, right? So now you got a bit of an issue because that knee side is over here, right? Yeah. So it's going to be harder to push that in with my foot. Just try to follow the curve. You're doing this.
What's the most sheep you've ever sheared in one time?
In one day, like 15 heads.
At like one farm? Or like different places?
Yeah, it was all at one farm, yeah.
How long does that take?
I mean, it took me all day, yeah. Run up to sundown pretty much.
How long have you been doing this?
About 14 years.
And what got you interested in sheep?
I guess just the need to keep shearing. My mom had the alpaca ranch, and that's how I got into it. Yeah.
You ever been to Australia?
No, I haven't. I want to. That'd be cool.
I've been there.
That's awesome.
I went when I was in college. I studied abroad.
That's really awesome.
We went to a sheep farm, and their closest neighbors, I don't even know how many acres they had.
Yeah.
It took them 5 hours to drive into town to get groceries. They had one room in their house that was all freezers and refrigerators. They had like 8 children, all homeschooled. Their closest neighbor was 2.5 hours. What? We had shrimp on the barbie. It was part of our program. I could not eat the sheep, but wow, you talk about solitude. They went once every 2 months, a 5-hour drive for groceries and stuff. And they were happy people.
I bet they were.
Yes. That's what people don't understand.
So, one thing I just noticed, make these flows on this side, instead of coming this direction, go that direction. Yeah. Yeah, so what you do is you push in on this cycle, then you come down that direction towards the sun. Watch out for your hand when you get down that way. I tend to use like a stick. Push in with my thumb and then roll my finger away. So he's got a bit of roux on it, so this part's difficult. Yeah. You don't have to clean that part up. When you get down to this part, turn that direction. Yeah, that's good. Pretty good. I'll take over from this. Are you left or right-handed?
Right-handed.
Right. So I take this edge and push in on the spike. You want to lean over a good bit.